Hi guys, welcome back to Just Sophia. So guys, today we are talking about top stable passive income generating ideas that you can start or you should consider starting in 2023. So guys, the best thing that can ever happen to you in this life is to have a passive income stream. This is when you can generate an income even without being actively involved in the business. Maybe just once in a while, but now not like every day thing. So now, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, personal development, and side hustles. So if that is the kind of content you're looking for on YouTube, please consider subscribing to the channel by clicking the red button. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So I hope you are ready and let's get started. So the number one passive income idea that will always be there, guys, because the internet is here with us and I don't think it's stopping anytime soon. Actually, it will never stop. It is starting a YouTube channel. So YouTube is the third most visited site right now um, from Facebook. So now what that means is that people are actually preferring video content to text. You need to take this opportunity, guys, to set a YouTube channel if you haven't done that yet. The good thing with YouTube is that later on, after you have grown to a particular audience and you have started earning from Google AdSense, for instance, or other companies or brands, it can become a good passive income idea, because now the videos that you are creating right now, like for example, this video will still earn me money even in 2 or 5 years to come, as long as the channel will still be there. So that is the good thing about YouTube. The content you create will earn you money continuously, even as you continue growing your channel, or even if you stop, as long as people are still watching it, let me say that, you will still earn money from it. So number two, you can become an affiliate marketer, or you can start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is selling other people's products, and online stores like Amazon, Walmart, and Jumia in Kenya are making it easier for us, people who do not have the actual products, to actually make a living by earning a commission. So now what happens is that once you have an audience or a blog, mostly it happens with people who have websites or blogs. So once you have a blog, let's say for example, I have a blog in the tech niche. So I review iPhone 11, for example. If someone searches iPhone 11 on Google and then they land on my website and then they click a link that I will get after signing up with Amazon, for example, if they click that link to go to Amazon to buy that product, that is how I earn. So I earn a commission from sales that originate from my website. You don't have to have a website for you to do affiliate marketing, as long as you have an audience, whether it is on TikTok, whether it is on YouTube, whether it is on Instagram. You can simply put your link in the description box, in your bio on Instagram, and then maybe just talk to your audience, let them know what you are selling, and things like that. And then when they click that link and go to whatever store that you have chosen to partner with and buy something, you will earn a commission. Now, when it comes to other social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok, nowadays it's people are always scrolling on the internet or on these platforms, and then like people are visual, and it is more these days. So when someone sees you, maybe for example you're using a backpack, a beautiful backpack, or you have a beautiful dress or beautiful shoes or a necklace, they will always ask you for the plug. So this is the time when you tell them where you bought it and you give them a link to go and buy it. Now you are link, and then you'll earn a commission. As simple as that. So that is about affiliate marketing. Number three, we have you can publish your informational products. So if you have any valuable knowledge in anything, by the way, guys, in any skill that you are perfect in, you can share with other people by publishing a product, whether it is a book, whether it is a DVDs, CDs. So we thank God for Amazon Kindle. This is where you can publish your ebook, and easily market it to start earning an income, because now there you'll get a wider audience for your product. So now publishing a book on Amazon Kindle takes less than 5 minutes, by the way. So it is not something complicated. And then you'll get exposure within 24 to 48 hours. Isn't that awesome, guys? So now you can, other than an ebook, you can also create white papers, membership sites. You can create email courses, training courses. So you can train people in anything that you're proficient in, and then share and get paid for it. So that is number 3, guys. Number 4 passive income idea is flipping websites. I know more and more people are now creating websites, guys, but now who wants to go the long route, right? Who wants to start from scratch? Growing a website, I have done it. I'm still doing it. I can tell you for free that it's not an easy thing. Yeah, you'll publish content after content. You'll have to worry about SEO. You'll have to worry about pictures, like so many things. So for you to be able to now start earning a stable income from a website or a blog, it will have taken so much of your time. So now there are those people who want to buy an already established website. Yes. So this is where you come in. If you're a website flipper, so you can start a website from scratch. So start building from scratch, buy a domain, build it, and then build it slowly. Okay, now depending on your resources, whether you'll outsource the content or not. So you build it up to a certain time, and then you sell it for a profit. You can also buy websites that are already earning. Then do a bit of work on it so that it can can earn more, so that it can grow. Maybe do a little bit of SEO, revamp with content, and just improve it, make it look beautiful, a beautiful theme and all that. And then after that, you can sell it for a profit. So sites such as flipper.com will help you. It is where buyers and sellers are connected. So you can visit that site once you are ready to buy or sell a website. So that is another passive income idea that you can try out come 2023, guys. Please, we want to be financially independent come 2023. So I hope you try any of these ideas. Let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried any of the mentioned ideas. If you haven't, let me know if it is something that you would like to try. Just give me a comment and let me know any other content that you want me to talk about. Whether you're loving this vlogmas, just talk to me, okay? So if you loved this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.